Okay, I've got a couple of stack pipes. Yeah, got new plumbing fitted for my washing machines on this side of the shed. So that one's got the Miele, Zanussi, Post Candy. Yeah, fuck the candy. But so we've got a stack pipe for this new washing machine coming at some point. We'll be here soon, but if you look around here, you see another stack pipe. I wonder what that could be for. That's right, it'll be another washing machine. Which I'll be getting on my birthday, yes. 1 year after I got this Zanussi. Bye.